Hi guys, here's your Tuesday tech tip from Bass. Today we are going to talk about how to use Avery Labels to adapt to books and magazines. We have had a couple posts on this on our Instagram account, but we thought we would kind of show a little video of how we do it and how easy and efficient it is. You cannot check out stuff like this from our lending library, but this was just a good video for a resource for you on how to do it on your own. Okay, so you can just go to the store and buy Avery Labels, or you can get them offline, Amazon, or places like that. There's two different styles that I like to use. So if I'm going to just be using single symbols to adapt a book or just a short little line, I will get the 30 sheet one, the 1 inch by 2 5/8. Or if you want the code number, it's 18160. And then if I'm going to be adapting books or magazines, as in here, with my Words for Life board or lamp, if you're using that, I like a little bit bigger of a label. So then I buy the 10 sheet one with the 2 inch by 4 inch. So, and it's 18163 is that code number. All right, so once you have bought your labels and you're ready to go, you just need to sit down at your computer whenever we have all of our free time, right? But this is so quick, easy, and efficient that you will have time for it. So just go to the Avery Label website, and they tell you that on the package as well in red here. And whenever you get to the website, it's going to pop up, and you need to enter in the code at the top of the package. So we'll do this one, the 18160. And then it comes up, and you're just going to select. Then you're going to scroll down, and I'm going to want a Microsoft document, and then you can download whichever version you need. You can sign in if you want to create an account and save all your stuff. Otherwise, you can just download as a guest, which is what I usually do for the first time I'm doing it. Enter in your email and your name, and then just push download, and you will see it start to download in the bottom of your screen. There, mouse. You can just click on it and it will open up for you. Okay, so now I've opened up my document, and you can see in the background how it's shaded. It may be hard on this video screen, but there's 3 columns and they have the outline of the label there. All right, so I'm going to open up. I'm going to use Chat Editor today for WordPower 60 Basic Kiddo. I'm just going to click on that capture button. That's so nice and makes making materials so easy. And I have a Dinosaur Roar book in which we do a lot of adjectives. So I'm going to get the adjectives. I'm going to click off so it doesn't get that describe button because I don't want that. And I'm going to click on big. Click off again, so then I can go back and get little. And I'm going to just copy to the clipboard and go to my Microsoft, and then I could just paste in there. It did paste a little bit big, so you can just click on the picture image and just drag it to where it fits. Okay? If you were doing multiple of the same word, you could then just copy that one and paste it again. And paste it again. So if you came to our literacy material, you had the word love that we were adapting for the Dragon Loves Tacos book. So that's what we just did, is we just copy and pasted all the way down. It took us less than a minute. It was so easy. So I'm just going to do those two. You would then go to your file and print this page. Put your Avery Labels in, obviously, before you print. And then whenever they print out, here's an example sheet of all the words that I had for this Dinosaur Roar book. If you don't have this book, I recommend it. It's a great book for adjectives, and all of my boys love it because they love dinosaurs. So I'm just going to cut down where the line between those symbols is, and then they're already separated in between. So whenever I go through to adapt all the adjectives, instead of focusing on roar and squeak, I talked about how this dinosaur was big. So look how easy that is. I'm just gonna peel off and put it on. It's so quick. I mean, this is a project, if you want to adapt a book, you can do in less than 5 minutes, I promise you. So then I just went through and I did all the adjectives, and then whenever I go through, those kids have the visual of the word that we're working on with sweet and then grumpy in their device to know what they look for and everything. Or staff, if you're doing it for staff, then they have that visual of what the symbol looks like to be looking for it in the device. And then for the bigger symbols for the words for life, it's the same thing. You can just screenshot that board and then paste it onto the symbol. And then what we do here at basscAAC is we just draw with a pen. We circle the pathway. So for this word, it was cool. So you're going to circle the turn because under there is where cool is located. And then I have an arrow showing that's where cool is going to be. And then you have to go up to the main verb position and then to actually activate the word cool. And then we write it in the bar. So, but then with that, it's real easy too, because you're just going to copy and paste that board onto all of those symbols. And then whenever you print them off, you can just write and circle the symbol pathway. So there's your Tuesday tech tip for adapting books and magazines using Avery Labels.